Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Oppo Reno 8T. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers, and first one is at the bottom, and that's a main speaker. It's right here. Next one is on the top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. And that's basically all of them. Now, if that's a stereo speakers on this device, if we try to play some music and cover each of them with our fingers, and the sound will be coming from both of them, that means it's stereo speaker. If not, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from a bottom speaker and this phone call speaker as well, and that would confirm that this device does have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.